Hey Straw, have you seen her? I was dead at the time. Ask your team. Hey, she's dead. How did you know what I was going to say? You worry about her too much. Yeah, thanks. Now time to recover hearts!
Hold on. Now that we have a recovery center, let's recover Crayon. Crayon didn't die. Huh? She didn't die?
Let's try Party Cup. Hey guys! Or take me to the cave that Crayon fell inside.
Okay, but be careful. Brave! Wait, who's screaming? Brave?
Crayon?
Why did you come here?
He came to save you.
How did you know I didn't die?
The recovery center said you didn't die.
The what? We have recovery?
Yeah?
Then let's go, Grape!
To where?
To jump! Crayon! Let's get out of here.
What if Triangle comes back? And hey, Spruce Tree, what's happening?
I'm running
Why?
because I slept through the whole challenge.
So?
The viewers are gonna think I'm lazy.
And
I'll be out and giving up punishment. That's what all bitches do.
Sprucey, be happy. You can always rejoin.
Maybe you're right. But now we're far away from the show.
Hey, Bucky. Hey, get off me! Oh shoot! I forgot you were strong. Oh! 1,000.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Thanks, Ash. You're really lit.
Yeah, I am. Shut it, guys. Ow! You okay?
Lucky! Fucking hit me hard! Is this a joke? Can't you see me right here? So, you lied? Uh-oh.
Let go! I didn't.
You know. What's wrong?
I think the viewers will vote me out because I'm bossy.
Well, I know bad things always happen to everyone except for you because you're cool. So all of you might even be out.
Thanks, I guess.
It's time for the
Bob!
Yeah, we didn't lose.
Yeah!
Everybody run, you lost last time, so one of you will be leaving your team. Wait a minute. What's Bomble's NSD?
We're here.
We got 880 votes.
I don't think that's possible.
Shut up! And I might have made the viewers vote everyone. So, yeah. The first one safe is Billowy with 10 votes.
Awesome!
The next one safe is Picture of the Mom Broken Laptop Screen with 36 votes. Ice Cream! Here, out of the danger zone with 51. Okay. Now we're down to 3. Slime Ball survives at 146 votes.
Okay.
Bottom 2. And the results are... expected. Well, I had fun. Sleeping. Yo, what's up?
Can I take leadership for this episode?
Sure, I don't see why not. And you're getting a little too close. Stop bullying Ice Square while he was bullying Bucket. And do you know why I don't do anything about it? Why? Because Bucket was bullying him first. Bucket, sure, I met her since kindergarten, but Ice Square, I hated him because, he was being mean to everyone, even though he was my brother.
Well, Ice Cream, I didn't know any of that. Yeah, maybe you should think about someone else's life before you... I forgive you!
Oh, great! He's being nice! Now how would he be eliminated?
Who did that? Drone.
I square!
Bucket, I know it was you! Cookie! Bucket killed me! I swear. Do you think I'm stupid? Huh? I square didn't fake. It's someone threw the pebble, and Bucket immediately recovered him. I'm sorry. It's okay. Okay, enough drama. Time to
Wait!
what?
What about them?
Light bulb.
What I was about to say was...
Wait!
Task complete. Everyone who died is now recovered.
What are we doing, Alien Square?
A cooking contest. You have to use these items to make it harder. And the judges make the scores.
You're lucky you have me on your team. I'm taking charge. Guys? What, gonna flirt with the girls again? No, me and Party Cup used to date, right? Yeah. So I know her favorite food, it's spaghetti and meatball, and I'm Italian. Well, I guess Mouse and Diamond got this.
Alright, idiots! What should we... That's it, we're breaking cookies.
Sorry, Cookie. What are we making?
I don't know. Meow.
Let's make burgers!
No wonder you're fat.
I'm vegan.
What's vegan?
Let's just get cooking. What the fuck? Hours later.
Banana! Yes?
to tell you we were done, but never mind. 1000, I'm not a good leader, am I?
I know team leading can be hard, but sometimes you just have to push through it.
Thanks. Bucket, why are you sad? Well, every time Ice Cream blames stuff on me, even when I help him, just ignore him. He'll go away.
Sorry guys, I can't help with this. Everything I touch freezes.
All you need is a big hug.
Wait, Bucket! Oh, great.
Bart, we need to do the challenge.
But we're having so much fun.
But viewers might think we're lazy.
Who cares what they think about us?
I'm just gonna help the team.
I'm fine with that.
Hey, Cookie, why did you do that?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
That's it. I'm going back.
Wait, we're done?
No, Cookie doesn't want me to help.
And you can just stay here with me and Crayon.
Can we at least make something?
I'm sorry, Grave, but that will waste time.
Okay. Did you turn it in? Banana literally smacked it out of my hand. What? What? What did I just do? Diamond, are you okay? Yeah, all I have is a crack. Did I do that? Yep, I did. Ah! Hard. I'm not that heavy. Can you help me?
Excuse me, Crayon. We need a team to...
We're done cooking the burgers.
Now!
Yum, spaghetti. Hey guys, how does it not hurt? I feel no pain.
How's the cooking going?
What? It's not like it's the first time I've been dented.
I was wondering if you guys wanted to help me unfreeze Bucket. Snowball, no!
So we are all gathered here because of 2 people.
I told you to help.
I'm sorry.
Because Cookie didn't let me help.
You don't understand.
Shut up, you tiny little...
Heart. Those are the cookies. Man, I'm starving. Awesome, you got first last time, so you go first.
I present to you spaghetti and meatball. Enjoy.
It's good. 8 out of 10. This is the best spaghetti I've ever had. 9 out of 10.
This is my favorite food. 10 out of 10.
Next, the idiots. Tasteless, 3 out of 10. Did you put it in sugar?
What is this? Wanna poison me? 0 out of 10.
Not much of a sweet tooth, but 6 out of 10. Now everybody run! The meat is cold. 5 out of 10.
Same.
I can't even eat mine. It's frozen. Now let's look at the scores. The idiots are UFE. Also, here are the scores. Why?
3, 2, 1, go!